Hello and welcome to this new video on how to back up OneDrive to external hard disk. So if you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to connect external hard disks to your PC, and when you have connected it, you just have to look on the bottom right hand side of the taskbar. There will be an cloud icon, and when you hover around it, it will say OneDrive. So you just have to click on it and a pop-up box will appear right in front of your screen. And on the bottom of the pop-up box, there will be 4 different options. They are open folder, view online, recycle bin, and upgrade. So you just have to click on the open folder and the OneDrive folder will be opened right in front of you. Now you just have to copy all the files inside the folder and you need to paste it in the external hard drive. And by that way, when you have copied and pasted the OneDrive files and folder to the external hard disks, the backup will be completed successfully. So this is how you can easily back up OneDrive to external hard disks. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.